Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Corodo clothing reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then stay with us, watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with women clothing, including two-piece sets, sweaters and cardigans, tops, casual dresses, and long dresses including sweater dresses, maxi dresses, midi dresses, or mini dresses. And talking about the price, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's check out the payment information of this website. For that, you need to visit the payment section, but they have not provided a separate payment information section. And at the bottom of the web page, you can see the modes of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, MX, PayPal, and etc. So you can view the payment info here. And talking about shipping policy, let's check out the shipping and delivery information. So guys, they have mentioned that they are providing free shipping for order over $79. At the top of the page, they have also mentioned about 40% off site-wide and free shipping over $79. And talking about postal shipping, it will take around 25 business days. For express shipping, it will take around 25 business days. So this was the shipping information. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 14th of September 2020. And guys, according to our study, we have found that this particular domain was created or was registered for 1 year only. So this factor is not enough to judge its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us section to know more about this website. So let's visit the About Us page, and here they have mentioned some information related to their mission and business, but I'm not able to view information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign, guys. And they've also mentioned email address on this web page. Now let's check out the contact details of this site. So guys, they have provided an email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they have not provided the company's official address and contact number, which is a bad sign. And let's talk about social media existence. So guys, the website has social media existence on Facebook and Instagram, but I would like to inform you all that they have recently created their social media accounts, including Facebook or Instagram. They have created new profile on Instagram few days ago. So they have only 188 followers and 40 posts around. So this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. Now talking about Corodo clothing reviews, guys, we have found no reviews about this site on the internet, but yes, we have found customer reviews on the official website. Let me show you the customer review section. For that, you can visit any product category list and you will find the product description along with the customer reviews. So these are the customer reviews that define its legitimacy, but we have not found any customer review or about the site or products on the internet, guys. And guys, talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy page, and they have mentioned 30 days easy return or exchange policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about the trust index score of this site, guys, I would like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 1% only, which is really very bad. So this is one of the biggest drawbacks of this site. and apart from that, the website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. So guys, there are some loopholes as well that defines the confusion and that defines the fakeness of this website. So in the final conclusion, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as we have found various loopholes, but yes, we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. You need to explore single information about the site before making any online purchase. It is really very important, guys, to check a website's legitimacy before ordering something. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications about scam videos and legit informative videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.